Here in upstate New York are these wild strawberries that grow. They're all over the place here. Here is the flower that they come from. Right here, these little yellow flowers all over the place. And you can see the strawberries all over the yard. They just grow wild. They're not big and huge. Not big and huge like the GMO ones. Just little tiny things that grow natural. I made a separate video, a prior video, and I just showed one tiny little one. And somebody left a comment and said it was sus. Well, there's nothing sus about this at all. This is right here, all over the yard. This is how they grow. If you're not from upstate New York, maybe you're not aware of this. It doesn't make it suspect. It just makes you uneducated. There's nothing suspect about this at all. It's just how it is. They're all over the yard. They grow naturally everywhere. Get educated, people. Stop believing fake shit. Look, here's one right here. Here's the flower. And then here's the little berry starting to come out of the bud. It's how it happens. They're not GMO. They're not domesticated. They're wild strawberries.